Good evening, everyone. We're back with another video. Another check engine light. I kind of already know what it is, but I'm gonna just go over it with you guys. So check engine light. I got my OBD scanner hooked up, and if I remember, I'll put the link in the description. It's an AutoLink AL519. There's nothing like, major, but it's been helpful. So I'm gonna go through, and this should be at some Purge something with it, but we'll go through it right now. And then the problem should be within the engine. P0496, yeah, evaporative emission system, high purge flow. So just go through that. Make sure there's nothing wrong in there. Nope, no codes in there. And this one. Nope, no codes in there. So it's just on the engine side. The P0496. So we're gonna go up under there and look. Mind you, I don't know exactly where it's at, but I have more so of an idea. Come on, cover. Okay, I'm gonna pull this off first. Is this in the way? Put that back on. 5W30, and it should be right here, because I've seen enough YouTube videos and reading online. Man, so I hate to get my hands dirty, but it's a dirty job. So you're supposed to disconnect the wire. The hell, it just snapped right back on. I'm trying not to pop nothing, because it gets brittle from the heat. Come on now. Let's keep snapping back in place. There we go. So wires out. See if you can. I don't even know if you were able to see that, because I was sitting there struggling, so my hand might have turned it. So the wire's out, and then we're gonna push this down. I'm supposed to release it, and then you're supposed to check if there's any suction. And if there's suction, they said that this part is bad, that it's stuck in the open position. So I could feel suction on there. Oh, you guys weren't even, see, I did it again where I turned it. So I took this off, you push that down, pull that out. Make sure not to break this little tab right there on the side off of this. But let me back up so you can see. So after you remove the cover, it's right to the right side right there. And to test it, you put your hand right there. You can even hear it from me pulling my finger back. So we're gonna turn that off. It's supposed to be a 10 millimeter bolt. Come on, adjust. There we go. 10 millimeter bolt right there. Pull that out, swap it out, and then we'll get going. Another thing is, people, check your parts, because I'm not saying nothing's wrong with this, because I didn't even look at it myself. I should be taking my own advice. But yeah, check your parts. You want to get OEM if you can. There's sometimes a few companies are better than the original, but I find that with certain cars, it's better to get OEM. That's why I'm running into the problems with the Camry back there, because I guess I didn't get the right, well, I should say not the right, but it was either the ball joints yeah, I would say it's the ball joints. They're kind of bigger, so it's kind of like throwing the stuff off. So yeah, so let me show you the part number that is on here. It's under AC Adelco, and that's 12690512. You can go on also Rock Auto and look. They sell it on there too, but I just went and bought mine on Amazon because I thought I needed to switch it out right then and there. And I've been holding on to this for like almost a month now, so I really kind of didn't need to, but I needed to. Just procrastination and unorganized. So let's get to it. Okay, so with this extension, the this bolt here was removed from the underside there, and pull this out the way. You're supposed to be able to just pull this out and see it pops out. It has this little seal there. Oh, and this is made by Bosch. I don't think this was the original though. I don't think that was the original. Made in Mexico. Yeah, this used to be an undercover car, so they probably switched this out long ago. Okay, so here we have our assistant, and he's gonna pull it out. He's gonna hold it up to the camera, and then we're gonna compare it to make sure. And it comes with its own bolt. So notice how they look similar. It has on its sealant piece. It has its own bolt. And we're just gonna now put this new piece on. Okay, so these two apparently are both made by Bosch.
Can I put a dump?
Okay, so this one, if you look at the date on here, you can speed through this if you don't want to watch it. This one looks like it was made 5/11/24, and then this one here is dated, what is that? The date's different. That looks like 9/19/12, so September 19th, 2012. So this might be, yeah, no, this old one might be the original for sure, because this car's a 2013, so they released it the year prior. So yeah, okay. All right, let's get this one put in, the new one. Okay, so now we're gonna place this new one in there. Okay. And I kind of like to do stuff by hand. So put this one underneath. I want to make sure it's lined up properly. I don't want to, I can't see under there. Looks like it's lined up. I don't want it to thread in properly. It's catching. Feels like it's catching. Okay, and then to bring in the power tool. Damn, did I lock it? guess I locked it. Crap. Okay. Okay. Man, that feels secure. And then, oh yeah, to test this, we're gonna turn on the car while this is unplugged. So now the car's on. I'm gonna test it. Okay, it's not giving me any suction, so it should be good. It's not stuck in the open position. All right, turn it off. Turn it off. Okay. So now we're gonna hook back up everything, and then after that, we're gonna take it for a test ride. So this will be going on first. That's first, and then where's that wire? Oh, here it is. You guys, with these old cars, you need to be careful not to break anything, because it could be expensive. Okay, so now that's back on. Start up again. I want to see if the code went away. It's still on there. Might have to ride around the block for a little bit, but we'll see in this field. Okay, so I erased the codes, but I still have 2 codes. One was the original code, that P0496, and then there was another one, P0443 or something like that, to do with the circuit. Same evap code, but it's something with the circuit. So I'm looking through here. It says evap something. I don't know what these codes mean. And evap something H2. I'll have to look that up later. But yeah, all my problems started to come about after I put in this aftermarket radio. But I don't know if it was the aftermarket radio that caused it per se, but I don't know. Then I was looking at something that said I needed to do the big 3, and I did one of the big 3 and I haven't finished. So I'm wondering if that's part of it, because I did the what is it, battery to frame, but I didn't do the rest. So I'm wondering if that's part of it. I'll let you know if the code comes back, because I cleared it for now. I want to see what it says. Let me go back in here and show you what I saw as far as the codes is sitting there. That same one, the P0496 and P0443. All right, I'll let you know what I get later on. Take care. Bye.